Okay, where's our go-to today?
Waimea Falls.
Waimea Falls. Have you been there, done
Never
that?
been there, done that. So we're gonna go ahead and do it so we can say those phrases.
Manakay pa mag-bus, magbaktas pa mi. Kaning siya, kay late.
Naiwan pa kami ng bus.
So, nandun lang banda yung bus. Tapos nakita namin dumaan.
Oh, diba? It's a prank! Hello, hi everyone. This is me, like Jasmine. This is Renz. And then your rich tita in Hawaii. Ano siya? 09.
Ditawagan ang bus.
Hang on 1 minute. We'll check the time of arrival of bus stop number 2509. Let's go! It's just ready. I told you, one call away lang.
Please hold on. Bus is departing.
We are the buses departing. So we're out and about. We are here sa Waimea Valley. Ayan, may makikita daw kaming mga endangered species. Sana, yan. Endangered species. Yan. Princess lang ako sa. Yan, lakad pa daw kami ng 10 minutes bago namin bago kami makabayad. Walang car kasi hindi ba marunong mag-drive. Ayan.
Perks of being strong and independent and bravery. Bravery na.
Yan. Welcome to the visitor center. Yan, nasa nagwat kami sa bus kaya ron di may magbaktas pa doon sa falls. Talo daw siya.
Talo ako. Nilabas ko na ba lahat ng tinatago ko? Ew.
Saka na ilagay na picturean.
Natang water lily lang man.
Ay. Na-eye duck.
Oh! Si Patty, galit na po sa atin kasi
Ayun. Thank you.
ayun na yun.
Helping us family. Nope, she's not picking up. I'm picking you up. I'm giving you.
Oh, it's really good. It's really good.
Someone calling for Ram? Yep, that was Ray.
Hey, naka-gosh, 20. We came together like 2 years ago, spring, but we've never been in this like place.
Wow, nakasakay. Tapos yung iba naglalakad.
Bayad naman po kami.
Yan yung waterfall. Kanina gina-force pa na ko siya nga magbaktas rin yung paulit kay tapulan magbaktas.
Buhat lang kasi sa baba. Kasi di na tayo bababa. Malapit na yung sa ano.
Ayan na. And we'll come closer there para maligo. So, dapat pagtawag din.
Daghadyo.
So, makatawa lang mi sa ilang seating arrangement diri kay mura og ginatanaw na mo ang mga naligo dito. Unsay gidala ni Jasmine sa iyang bag raid.
Swimwear natin.
So na binaunan ako ni Madam ng pagkain.
adobo.
Isang adobo. Wow! Yan, ayaw niya daw maligo. Sana, maligo na to. Oh, naka-vest na. Nindot kaya ang tubig, kay bugnaw kayo. Ang view, Mountain Fall. Odol ta dito ron. Bugnaw. Laway na to. Actually, lisod kayo doon. Sa gilid ay dapat. Doon lang sa fall. Ako basa. Ako sako. Very dry. Ako basa. Okay, enjoy lang ka diha sa beaches.
Go lang.
Support lang ka, cheerleader. So karon tim na kog langoy-langoy no. Mangita mi og spot asa mi pwede makaon. Katong nalabyan na mga nindot man sad ko. Agto na lang mi makaon. Pasya natin ma.
Paligo.
And we are starting our hike back.
We're just gonna go ahead and walk. We decided actually to just walk all the way back to appreciate the beauty of nature, and at the same time, it's just crap. Sabi ko sinabi, kaya oh, may nalalaman pang
May na-excite kasi may nakita siya.
iba. Kamyas.
Hello, iba.
Yeah, but you're tall enough and then like I'm so short. Can you grab me some please at the top? Nakita po kami ng balingbing at kakainin ni Renz kasi kumain na ako.
Ano?
Okay. Bigyan mo ako. Hindi, dito sa phone ko.
Okay.
Kasi story ko. Iba sa amin.
Baktas sa sad ni balik. Dala lagbound. Gisugo ng picture. So nice. Nagpa-picture. Nagpa-picture si Jasmine. Nice kayo siya. Mara siya stage. Diyan na yung mga maglingkod. Na-amaze me kay daho kayo ilang gumamela.
Diba?
Hand
Hibis.
for reference.
Yung face ko na lang for
Her
reference.
face niya lang daw for reference.
Laki ng gumamela.
Oo. Saan yung gumamela dito?
Mas maliit. Tingnan mo yung difference. Yan lang yung gumamela ko. Tapos ito yung gumamela nila.
Waiting.
Hello po. Patiently waiting.
Look at this. Mura na siyang cortina. Sa kadako.
I didn't thought that today is going to be one of the wow. Yeah, it's just the fact that I thought I'm not gonna go ahead and do anything, just pray like back in my bed and. Okay, bye guys. Ciao.
Nakabalik na kami. To ako spot na ginakuan kay muna dito may pag-adto mi na ngaon. Thank you Waimea Falls was pretty. Ayan na, nilalabas na yung mga ano natin, mga homemade packed lunch. Adobo. Sarap ng adobo mo?
Ha?
Sarap ng adobo mo.
Siyempre ako lang yan.
Sabi ko express. Ayan. Nakagawas na me. That was our Waimea Falls trip. How much would you rate Waimea Falls?
For me, when it comes to nature and all of those things, and how they beautify and made effort all of it for the landscape, I'll give it like 11 out of 10.
Wow.
That's how
Pero yung
nice I am.
experience.
But the experience, like, I'll give it 7 out of 10.
Di ka naman naligo.
Exactly. So that's why.